Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. So we're on the 1 hour time frame. The Euro dollar made a very big push up today, the pound dollar and a few other dollar pairs. It definitely wasn't a very big correction. I was definitely expecting to see at least a 38% pullback, and it honestly still could be part of a correction. I mean, this possibly could be like three ways of A, B, goes down to the 38%, makes a C, and then goes up like that. The problem with that idea is that the trend is up on every time frame. I definitely will not be sorting it anytime soon, even if it does decide to go down to the 38%. Definitely not a desirable trade for me because you may think it's going to go down there and then it just goes down a little bit and just continues the higher time frame uptrend. Now, for me, the next big area of resistance on the higher time frames is definitely the 78% Fibonacci retracement, right around the 1.1795 area. So definitely still very bullish. Even if it does make a push down, I'm definitely going to be looking at that as nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.